Welcome, everyone. You are listening to English Story 5 Days. This is where we talk about books, ideas, and simple English for real life.
Today, we are starting a new and very famous book summary. This book is talked about everywhere: YouTube, podcasts, and social media.
The book's name is Atomic Habits. It is written by James Clear. The book was published in 2018.
This book is about small habits, very small actions, things you do every day without thinking.
The book shows how tiny habits can change your life. Not big motivation, not big pressure, just small, smart steps.
Today, we will review this book in a simple way. Real-life examples, clear ideas, easy English.
Stay with us, because small habits
Can create big results.
Many people ask, why do we study books like Atomic Habits?
Because these books talk about real life, not just ideas.
We all want to change something, our routine, our English, our habits.
But most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they don't understand how habits work.
This book teaches us how small actions control big results.
We study this book to stop repeating the same mistakes every day,
We study it to understand ourselves better.
and also to learn how to build good habits without stress.
These books are not only for reading.
They are for practicing in daily life.
One small habit can change one day.
And one day can change a life.
The most shocking idea in this book is that your life is not shaped by one big decision, but by thousands of tiny choices you repeat without even noticing.
The most shocking idea in this book is that your life is not shaped by one big decision, but by thousands of tiny choices you repeat without even noticing.
What shocked me most is learning that habits work even when you are tired, busy, or unmotivated, because they run automatically inside your brain.
The book clearly shows that willpower is unreliable, but environment is powerful, and whatever surrounds you every day slowly controls your behavior.
Another shocking truth is that bad habits do not look dangerous at first. They look comfortable, normal, and harmless until years later.
Good habits are shocking too because they feel useless in the beginning, even though they are silently building a completely different future.
The book reveals that success is delayed, which means your effort today might show results months later, not instantly.
Many people quit because they do not see fast results, not knowing they are standing just before the habit breakthrough.
It shocked me that missing a habit once does not matter, but repeating the miss creates a new negative habit pattern.
James Clear explains that habits are never neutral. They either help you improve slowly or decline slowly every single day.
The book shocks readers by saying that goals do not change people, but identity does, and habits are the proof of who you believe you are.
You don't wake up successful one day. Your habits slowly vote for the type of person you become over time.
Another surprising idea is that motivation follows action, not the other way around, which changes how we think about starting.
The book breaks the myth that you must feel ready first, showing instead that action creates readiness.
It is shocking to realize that small habits compound just like money, growing stronger with time, even when progress feels invisible.
The danger is that negative habits also compound quietly, damaging health, confidence, and focus without immediate warning.
James Clear shocks us by saying that discipline is easier when habits are designed well, not when people try harder.
Most people blame themselves, but the book shows the real problem is poor habit design, not weak character.
Another shocking truth is that your phone, desk, and room are silently shaping your habits more than your intentions.
The book makes you realize that environment often wins against self-control, no matter how strong you think you are.
It is surprising to learn that habits are predictable and controllable once you understand how cues and rewards work.
What feels like a personal failure is often just a predictable habit loop repeating again and again.
The book shocks readers by proving that change does not require dramatic effort, only consistent small actions.
Many people search for big life changes while ignoring the small habits that already control their daily routine.
Another powerful shock is realizing that habits decide your future, even when you are not thinking about them.
Your habits are working every day, either building your life or slowly breaking it down.
The book also shocks us by saying that being busy does not stop habits. Habits continue even in chaos.
That means even stressful days are shaping your future through repeated behavior.
James Clear makes it clear that habits are always active, even when you believe you are doing nothing.
Doing nothing is often just repeating the same habit again.
The book forces you to see that comfort today often means regret tomorrow.
And discomfort today often means freedom later.
Another shocking idea is that habits shape confidence more than talent ever could.
Confidence grows from keeping small promises to yourself daily.
The book shows that changing habits changes identity, and identity controls everything else.
Once identity shifts, habits feel natural instead of forced.
It is shocking how small changes can completely rewrite someone's lifestyle over time.
This makes the book powerful not because it is loud, but because it is true.
Atomic Habits shocks you by removing excuses and showing simple responsibility.
It quietly tells you that your future is built today, not someday.
The biggest shock is realizing that your current habits are already creating your future self.
And the book asks one serious question. Are those habits helping you or hurting you?
This book feels emotional because it reminds us that change is slow, and many people silently struggle while believing something is wrong with them.
Atomic Habits touches the heart by showing that failure is not personal weakness, but often the result of habits formed during hard and confusing times.
Reading this book makes you emotional because it explains why people try so hard yet still feel stuck in the same life.
It gently tells readers that they're not broken, they're just repeating patterns they learned long ago.
The emotional power comes from realizing that small habits carry the weight of our hopes, fears, and dreams.
This book feels personal because everyone has habits they regret but never understood before reading this.
Atomic Habits shows how disappointment grows when effort has no visible reward for a long time.
Many readers feel emotional because the book explains why giving up felt easier than continuing.
The idea that progress is invisible for a long time can make people emotional and reflective.
It hurts to realize how close we were to change before quitting without knowing it.
The book connects emotionally by explaining how habits shape identity and self-respect.
When habits fail, people often lose belief in themselves, not knowing habits were the real problem.
Atomic Habits feels emotional because it gives hope without shouting motivation.
It quietly says that slow improvement is still improvement, even when nobody notices.
Many readers feel emotional realizing how harshly they judged themselves in the past.
The book feels like forgiveness, allowing people to restart without shame.
It explains how tiny habits can heal broken confidence over time.
Emotional moments come when readers understand they were growing, even during their worst days.
The book shows that pain often comes from expecting fast results in a slow process.
It teaches patience, which feels emotional in a world obsessed with speed.
Atomic Habits feels human because it accepts struggle as part of growth.
It does not shame failure. It explains it calmly and clearly.
Many readers feel emotional because the book reflects their daily battles.
Habits are not just actions. They carry memories, comfort, and fear.
The emotional depth comes from understanding how habits protect us, even bad ones.
Bad habits often exist because they once helped us survive difficult moments.
This realization changes anger into understanding.
The book helps readers replace self-hate with self-awareness.
Atomic Habits feels emotional because it allows change without pressure.
It reminds us that being consistent is more important than being perfect.
Readers feel emotional when they realize how small wins rebuild hope.
Hope grows slowly, just like habits.
The book speaks softly to people who are tired of trying again.
It tells them that starting small is not weakness.
Atomic Habits connects emotionally because it respects the reader's pain.
It never forces change, it invites it.
The book teaches that self-love can begin with simple daily actions.
Caring for yourself starts with the habits you repeat quietly.
Emotional healing happens when habits align with who you want to become.
The book feels like a companion, not a judge.
Atomic Habits shows that even broken routines can be rebuilt.
That message alone brings comfort to many readers.
The emotional truth is that change is possible without becoming someone else.
You change habits, not your worth.
This is why Atomic Habits stays in the heart.
Because it understands people before trying to change them.
This book makes readers happy because it shows that small changes can create amazing results over time without feeling overwhelmed or stressed.
It is exciting to realize that tiny habits can bring huge improvements in health, productivity, and confidence if done consistently.
Atomic Habits creates joy by teaching how to design an environment that naturally supports positive behavior every single day.
Readers feel proud when they notice progress from small actions that once seemed too simple to matter.
The happiness comes from understanding that failure is not final, but a step in learning and growing stronger.
It is inspiring to know that identity changes with habits, so every small improvement makes you feel more like the person you want to be.
Atomic Habits is motivating because it teaches that success is not about being perfect, but about being consistent.
The joy grows when readers apply these small habits and see positive changes in energy, mood, and daily life.
Readers feel cheerful realizing they can build their own systems that work for them, not against them.
Happiness emerges from control over one's routines, replacing chaos with order and calm.
Atomic Habits encourages excitement for life because every small improvement feels like a personal victory.
The book makes people happy when they learn that even tiny habits, like reading 5 minutes a day, can have long-term benefits.
Readers feel lighthearted knowing they don't need huge motivation or big bursts of energy to create change.
It brings joy to celebrate small wins every day instead of waiting for big achievements.
Atomic Habits spreads positivity because it teaches a gentle, sustainable way to grow into better versions of ourselves.
The happiness comes from learning to focus on progress rather than perfection.
Readers feel excited when they discover that habits shape identity and every small act is an investment in their future self.
Atomic Habits encourages gratitude for the little things that make life smoother, healthier, and more joyful.
The book creates hope because change feels possible and practical for anyone willing to start small.
Happiness grows when readers realize they can control the environment and nudges to make good choices easy and natural.
Atomic Habits is inspiring because it transforms frustration and confusion into clarity and purpose.
Readers feel motivated when they track tiny wins and see visible evidence of growth over time.
The joy of creating routines that stick brings confidence and peace of mind.
Happiness comes from knowing that even small actions done consistently build a life worth celebrating.
The book makes readers feel empowered because it turns awareness into actionable steps for meaningful change.
Atomic Habits spreads joy by showing that change is possible for anyone, anywhere, with patience and strategy.
Readers feel uplifted because every positive habit strengthens identity, self-esteem, and resilience.
Happiness grows from the understanding that small, steady improvements lead to a life full of achievements and satisfaction.
The book makes readers smile when they realize that building better habits can be enjoyable, not stressful.
Atomic Habits teaches that consistent effort is more satisfying than chaotic bursts of motivation, creating calm happiness every day.
The joy comes from realizing control over one's life is built habit by habit, step by step.
Readers feel excited to implement habits and see real transformation in productivity, mood, and overall well-being.
Atomic Habits creates inner happiness by showing that small, manageable routines shape big, positive outcomes in life.
Readers feel proud when they stick to habits, seeing that effort finally rewards them over time.
Hey listeners, I have some exciting questions for you today about Atomic Habits. Please share your answers in the comments below. Let's start. Question 1. Which small habit from the book are you most excited to try first in your life, and why does it matter to you? Question 2. How do you think your daily environment can help you stick to good habits more easily? Question 3. What habit have you tried before but struggled to maintain, and how will Atomic Habits help you improve it? Question 4. Which tiny habit could make the biggest impact on your productivity or happiness this week? Question 5. How do you feel when you successfully complete a small habit consistently? Share your experience with us. Question 6. What system or routine from your life would you like to improve using the ideas from Atomic Habits? Question 7. Which part of your identity do you want your habits to reflect, and how will you start building it? Question 8. How do you plan to celebrate small wins from your habits without overthinking perfection? Question 9. Can you share one habit that makes your mornings or evenings more enjoyable and productive? Question 10. What distractions or bad habits do you want to replace, and which good habits will you try instead? Question 11. Which habit tracker or method from the book would you like to implement first, and why? Question 12. How do you feel about the idea that habits shape identity rather than just behavior? Question 13. Which habit could improve your health, and how will you start implementing it today? Question 14. How do you think small habits can lead to long-term happiness or success in your life? Question 15. Which habit from Atomic Habits do you think is the easiest to start immediately, and why? Question 16. Can you share one habit you've already successfully built and how it changed your daily life? Question 17. How will you stay consistent when motivation is low using the strategies from the book? Question 18. Which habit would improve your relationships with family or friends, and how will you start? Question 19. How do you plan to track your progress to feel motivated and see results over time? Question 20. Finally, which habit from Atomic Habits excites you the most, and how will you apply it this week? We can't wait to read your answers in the comments. Remember, every small habit counts, and your journey starts today.
Wow, listeners, that was such an amazing discussion today about Atomic Habits. We learned so much about small changes creating big results in our lives.
Absolutely, Emma. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making tiny improvements every single day. Even one small habit can lead to massive transformation over time.
Yes, and don't forget to share your answers to our questions in the comments. We really want to hear about your journey, your challenges, and the habits you're starting today.
Every comment you write is a step forward. It's practice, reflection, and motivation all in one. Plus, it helps other learners see that they are not alone in building better habits.
That's right. Celebrate your small wins and remember that setbacks are normal. Every time you get back on track, you're stronger than before.
And one more thing, keep revisiting your habits every week. Adjust, improve, and stay consistent. Small daily actions lead to long-term results.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We're so proud of you for taking time to learn, reflect, and grow with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this episode, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our new podcasts.
And remember, listeners, it's the little habits that shape your life. Start today, take one small step, and keep moving forward.
Until next time, stay consistent, stay curious, and keep building those amazing habits.
Bye, keep growing, and keep shining.